For motion, item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, this is a criminal petition filed under Section 528 read with Section 484 of the BNSS for reduction and modification of the bail bond in criminal miscellaneous application 449 of 2025. My Lord, passed by the Special Court NIA, wherein the Special Court has asked the petitioner to deposit 10 lakhs, by which the petitioner could not comply the same, my lord. So I humbly pray before this court to modify as per my petition in point number 7, page number 4, my lord.
Lordship, you're inaudible from this side. Lordship, you're inaudible.
Hello. Am I audible now?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. This is a case under UPA.
Yes, my lord.
Unlawful Activity Act.
My client has been, my lord, the petitioner hearing has been released by the Special Court NIA on 9 September 2025. But till now, since they could not comply with the bail bond, they have been detained in 91 days, my lord. Till now, they are in judicial custody.
What is your difficulty in arranging the securities?
Yes, my lord, they could not comply the condition that's 10 lakhs, my lord. The relevant portion is in page number...
Your name is Malsoma.
Yes, my lord.
But it says bail bond of 25 lakhs.
My lord, I have again, after that, I have applied criminal miscellaneous application in which the Special Court NIA has again modified the same. And still, the petitioner here could not comply the same, my lord. The relevant portion is in page number 43.
See, first thing is 10 lakhs, then 2 securities,
Yes, my
and
lord.
then one must be a government servant.
Yes, my lord.
And the other must be member of the local council, village council. Right?
Yes, my lord.
So your difficulty is only with regard to the 10 lakhs.
Yes, my lord. My humble prayer is, my
You are
lord.
not, you are only required to execute a bond. You are not required to deposit rupees 10 lakhs.
Correct, my lord. But the government servant is like the government servant. If the amount is higher, they don't want to participate in this case, my lord. My lord, my humble prayer is that,
Who are you actually? What is your background? How come you attracted these sections? What is your allegation?
my
What
lord,
is the allegation against you?
yes, my lord. From the co-accused statement, my lord, nothing was recovered from my part, my lord. My lord, my humble prayer I have highlighted in page number.
Yes, yes, we'll go to your prayer. We would like to first know the facts of the case a bit. As there must be a reason why the learned trial court imposed the aforesaid bail condition. Because normally that kind of amount is not to be seen. There must be a reason why such a high amount was fixed by the learned trial court. We want to know what is the reason for your arrest. What is the allegation against you?
It's just, my lord, the allegation is that I was alleged for attempt.
One indulgence, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the fact of the case is that FIR was lodged on January 15 January 2025 for the offense of Section
Where is
16.
the FIR? Is the FIR copy annexed?
My Lord, we are sorry that the FIR is not annexed, but it can be seen from page number 24 of our petition. Page number 24 of our petition, my Lord.
That I have seen, but it does not disclose the facts.
My Lord, the fact is that, as per the statement of our co-accused statement, we have been arrested by the NIA under the
You come ready with the FIR
okay,
on Wednesday. I'll be there.
on Wednesday. Much obliged.
Yes.
Item
Where's the
2.
matter begin? Wednesday. Get to deliver in order to enable the lead counsel to furnish a copy of the FIR
Your Lordship,
as well as charge sheet.
if it may be done, taken up on Thursday, my Lord, please,
All right, as you wish.
Thursday, my Lord.
Which one? Item 2?
Item 1, my Lord,
Item 1?
Thursday, my Lord, yes.
All right.
Obliged.
You are representing whom?
The NIA, my Lord, the respondent, my Lord.
Okay, then you must be able to get the copy of the charge sheet also.
My Lord, definitely.
Yes. Come with the records.
Item 2.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My Lord, the petitioners herein are employees under the Health and Family Welfare Department who have been rendered regular service for 10 to 26 years, my Lord. After rendering for such several service, my Lord, they were reported to have been appointed without following due procedure. And the respondent authority had issued the impugned letter dated 19/2/2025, Annexure 15, whereby they have taken decision to withdraw the interstate seniority list, my Lord. And thereby, my Lord, they have issued impugned provisional interstate seniority list of Group B and C, Annexure 16 and 17. So they were excluded.
Where is the impugned order?
Page number 142, my Lord, 142. Annexure 15, page number 142. Letter dated 19/02/2025. Have you got it, my Lord?
Where is your appointment order?
My lord, the petitioners herein, 272 of them, my lord. I have enclosed some of the appointment order.
Where?
Page number 95, my lord. Page number 95. This is the appointment order in respect of petition number 1, page number 95. Page number 95, office order dated 25/8/1999. Sri so-and-so is hereby appointed as grade 4 on officiating basis in the scale of pay of so-and-so with effect from the date of joining, my lord. This is the initial appointment order in respect of petitioner number 1. Thereafter, my lord, he was regularized via office order dated 23/09/2003, which is at page number 97. The type copy is in page number 98, my lord. Page number 98. Office order dated 23rd September 2003. On the recommendation of the EPC held on so-and-so, the service of officiating group these staff under this department as listed in the enclosed annexure are hereby regularized with effect from the date of the EPC. Here, my lord, they have regularized the petitioner number 1. And thereafter, his service was confirmed, which is at confirmation order is in page number 100. Their service were regularized. Thereafter, they have been confirmed. And after confirmation of their service, my lord, they have been granted financial upgradation or promotion from time to time to each and every petitioners, my lord. My confirmation petition number 1 is in page number 100, 101 type copy.
After that, promotion.
We have been granting financial upgradation, my lord.
That is page? Page?
I have made a schedule, my lord, at page number 80, the manner in which they were granted the financial upgradation, my lord. Page number 80, 80, 80. Serial number 1, the petitioner in the last right column, my lord, the MSCP, he is being granted the second, the first one after rendering 10 years, and the second one after rendering another 10 years. That is on the second financial upgradation was granted to him on 26/8/2019. The petitioners were appointed on different capacities. Some were initially appointed on officiating basis, some were on contract basis, some were on a master role basis, and all of them, they have been now regularized and confirmed in their respective posts. And they have been enjoying all the facilities and benefits available to regular government employees. Similarly situated employees have also approached this court, already filed a separate writ petition, my lord. These are the third batch, my lord. In those cases, my lord, this honorable court had already issued notice and issued interim order for protection of their service.
Where is that?
I have not enclosed along with this writ petition, my lord. I was under the impression that your lordship will be available on this while moving this case, my lord. I was planning to produce it before your lordship in the court. I can give the date, my lord. I can give the case number and the date.
Download কৰিব পাৰিবা নেকি? Is it uploaded?
Yes, my lord. WPC number 148/2025.
Just a moment.
Yes, my lord.
Aizul. 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 In the meantime, you can read it out.
Yes, my lord, I will read it out. It's an order dated 1st of December 2025. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner who has filed the instant writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution, arraying the office order dated, assailing the office order dated 19-2. This is the also impugned in this case, my lord. 19-2-2025 and 24-9-2025, whereby the respondent authorities found the petitioner's appointment unauthorized and consequently void order dated 24-9-2025, withdrew the name of the petitioners from the inter se seniority list as of September 2025. The learned counsel submitted that the petitioner was initially appointed as lab assistant void office order dated 11-10-2001 on a co-terminus basis on the recommendation of the duly constituted DPC. Thereafter, his service was regularized on 26-2010, which was subsequently confirmed void office order dated 22-2017. The petitioner was also granted the first financial upgradation in terms of the MSCP 2010 with effect from 12-10-2011 on the recommendation of the Departmental Selection Committee. The petitioner's name was also included in the final seniority list of lab assistant issued on 2019, wherein he was placed at serial number 3. The learned counsel submitted that while the petitioner was now due for the second financial upgradation, the respondent authorities issued the impugned orders which excluded the name of the petitioners from the list of the provisional seniority list of lab assistant as on September 2025. Aggrieved by this action, the instant petition has been filed. This court finds it appropriate to issue notice of motion to the respondents. Ms. So-and-so, learned additional AG, accepts notice on behalf of the state respondents. No need to issue formal notice. Requisite extra copies of the writ petition to be duly furnished to the learned additional AG. The learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that since the name of the writ petitioner has been excluded from the provisional inter se seniority list of lab assistant as on September 2025, he prayed that this provisional inter se seniority list may not be finalized as the petitioner would suffer irreparable loss if it was finalized without the inclusion of his name. Considering the nature of the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, this court finds it appropriate to pass an order for status quo to be maintained till the next date of listing. List the matter after 3 weeks. This notice was, my lord, issued on 1st of December.
So you already have a status quo order in respect of the seniority list, is it not?
Yes, my lord. But the thing is that in terms of the impugned order letter dated 19-2025, my lord, direction was made to redraw the seniority list of group B, C, and D. And that order which I have just referred, my lord, this is in respect of group C.
Present case is group.
They belong to group B and C, group B, C, and D. But since your lordship has already pointed out, direction was already made to maintain status quo in respect of that Group C, my lord, even without making any observation to that extent, if notice may be issued at this stage.
Yes. Yes, government.
Yes, my lord. Let notice be issued in this case, my lord.
He is only asking for a notice at the moment. Will list the matter along with the other WPC.
Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. Sensor Learned Counsel for the petitioner and learned government advocate. This is an application under Article 226 of the Constitution of India challenging the impugned order dated 23rd September 2003. No, sorry. Impugned order was at annexure at page 142, is it? Yes.
Yes, my lord.
19 February 2025. Whereby direction was issued by the Health and Family Welfare Department to redraw the inter-C seniority list of Group C and D staff with respect to those employees whose appointments are as per established procedure. And it is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that they were appointed way back during the period from 1999 to
2016.
2016, whereafter their services were also regularized more than 10 years back, and also their services were confirmed. As indicated in the Annexure 1 list, within bracket there was Schedule A annexed to the instant writ petition. It is further submitted that the impugned order that further submitted that this court has already issued order to maintain status quo with regard to the seniority list, which is under process by order dated for January
Yes, my lord.
1/1/25.
I'm sorry, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord.
Status quo order
1/12/2025.
1/12/2025. Passed in WPC number
148/2025.
8 of 22. 148 2025. Era issue notice. Learned government advocate accepts notice on behalf of
All the respondents, my lord.
all the respondents. Extra copies be served within 3 days. Is the matter along with WPC 148 of 25 again on. When is the next date fixed in the other case?
After 3 weeks, my lord. After 3 weeks.
After 3 weeks from today or after 3 weeks from that date?
From 1st of December.
Okay. After 3 weeks, it will be vacation from 1st of December.
Yes, my lord.
After
And
vacation.
what do we say?
1, 2, 3. After vacation.
In the month of January.
Yes, my lord. Let it be. Yes. I'm deeply obliged.
For admission, item 3.
Your Worship, as per the last order, respondents 2 to 4 have to have to file their affidavit.
My lord, the government advocate is on legs. If it can be passed over for the time being, my lord.
As per the last order, Your Worship, the government advocate stated that she has received her instructions and she will be filing the affidavit within a week.
Last order is dated 11/11/24.
20th 11, Your Worship.
20.
2011.
I think they missed. I'm only having a scanned copy, but that
20th of no?
20th is not available with me. Anyway, yes, government.
My lord, if it can be passed over for the time being, my lord, let me talk to the GA.
Time being,
Yes, my lord, pass over.
we have only two other cases.
My lord, I believe she's on legs, my lord. So if,
Huh?
I believe she's on legs. I'll talk to her, my lord.
Okay, let's have it tomorrow then. Tomorrow or Wednesday.
Yes, my lord. Wednesday.
Wednesday. Your Worship, we can have it tomorrow.
Yes.
Bar program. All right, my lord. Tomorrow, let's see. If,
Tomorrow.
my lord.
Tomorrow.
Okay, list the matter again on 9th in order to enable learned government advocate to obtain instructions.
Item 4.
I'm obliged.
Your Lordship, as per the last court's order, I have taken dusty service against the respondents 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Affidavit had been filed, my lord. Sorry, my lord, 1, 4, 5, and 6. Respondent number 2 is the Deputy Commissioner and he has been represented by the learned additional AG. And my lord, in the meantime, as per the last court's order, interim stay application should be considered on the next date. It was directed by
Where
this
is your
order.
affidavit?
Your Lordship, the affidavit is, it was filed on 28 October 2025.
Can't find it.
I filed on 28 October, my lord. Your Lordship, this writ petition is, it is directed to the suspension order of the Kalamanagar 4 Village Council by the CIDC. While there is no provision at all for suspension under the Village Council Act, my lord. Now, 3 months suspension period will be expiring on 15th of December this month. So my humble prayer is that suspension order may be stayed, or if it is going to be extended, it may not be extended without a prior direction of this honorable court, my lord.
Where is the order?
The impugned order is at page, my writ petition, my lord. I'm referring to my writ petition.
Yes.
Page 83. This is the impugned suspension order. The 84 is the retyped copy. It may be easier to read, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
84 of the writ petition. Your lordship, I'll start from second para, if I may read. The third para is the relevant, the provision quoted by the respondents. Section 14 of the Chakma Autonomous District Council Village Council Act 2003. My lord, if I'm allowed to take your lordship to this particular section 14 of the Village Council
Yes.
Act.
Where is that?
Section 14 is, your lordship, at page 14, 40 of the writ petition, my lord. This is the Amendment Act 2011. My lord, serial number 9 at the bottom of the page. My lord, it merely says that the executive committee shall have the rights to interfere in the village administration in case of mismanagement of village council funds or maladministration of the village council. So this is what it only says about this, my lord. There is no suspension at all. And
Says interference may be by way of any means.
interfere,
even to
page
suspension.
36, my lord. Page 36 would be relevant. This is how the executive committee can interfere. Page
What is
36.
this?
Page 36 is the dissolution of the village council, my lord. Only by way of dissolution. But no steps had been taken towards dissolution. And there is no suspension provision at all.
What is the executive committee?
Executive committees, my lord, at this stage, the village, the autonomous district council is under suspension by the order of
The power of dissolution is to be exercised by the executive committee.
Yes. Now the
What is
caretaker
this
is,
executive committee? Consisting of whom?
now the caretaker is the deputy commissioner Longklai district. Even at the time of passing of the impugned suspension order, my lord. And the suspension order is passed by local administration officer, CADC, Chakma Autonomous District Council. So one point to be taken into account is also that, my lord, executive committee did not decide anything about the suspension. And moreover, suspension provision is not there in the Village Council Act. Whether it should be dissolution of the village council, which shall result to holding a fresh election. And at that time, in the meantime, caretaker can be appointed. That is the only provision which can be seen in this Village Council Act. Section 26. This is the only way the executive committee can interfere, my lord. Suspension provision is not at all there.
Subsection
Yes, ma'am.
6 of section 2 defines executive committee. Means
Yes.
the executive committee of the Chakma Autonomous District Council. What is the definition? What does it mean? Consisting of whom?
Executive committees, the executive members should be elected first, my lord, in Chakma Autonomous District Council, like the MLA election, my lord, within their
Yes.
within the concerned district council, and whoever forms the majority amongst those elected members who forms the majority, executive committee member is duly appointed by the chief executive member.
Yes, subsection 4 of section 3.
Yes, my lord.
Of the total number of members determined under subsection 2, 1/3 or nearest shall be nominated by the executive committee.
Yes, this member is the village council member. Executive committee means executive committee of the Chakma Autonomous District Council, my lord.
That is what I am asking. What is the
Executive,
composition of this executive committee?
it is defined in the other separate act, my lord. Constitution and Conduct of Business Rules of the CIDC. Executive committee is defined in that particular rules, not in this Village Council Act. Executive committee is like a, my lord, council of ministers, as your lordship also understand, within the concerned autonomous district council.
But your 3-month period is expiring within another
15th of
7
this month.
days.
15th of this month, my lord. 15th December.
So
If it
what is
is
the point?
if it is extended again, your lordship, then that will be a clear violation of the natural justice. There is no provision at all in the Village Council Act. That is why we approach this honorable court. So at least, your lordship, no further extension without the prior approval of this honorable court. So let the matter may be taken up on merit in the meantime, whenever CADC respondents are represented. Otherwise, my lord, it would be clear violation of the natural justice, and there is no law to be followed in that regard for suspension. It is
Then
totally
they'll
wrong.
say dissolution, all right, no suspension, will dissolve.
Yes, but
How
they
do-
yes they
How
can
do you
go.
benefit from that?
They can go for dissolution, my lord. And if the village council is dissolved, then it can be challenged by filing a fresh writ petition. But now there is no provision for suspension. And if it is further extended, while it is quite illegal, my lord, it won't be proper and it will be quite wrong. So no further extension may be made, at least. That is why I have annexed all the village councils and the amended act also, my lord.
But we have not got a definition of executive committee yet.
And
This means executive committee of the Chakma Autonomous District Council, but
yes, in that case,
is
your
the
lordship,
DCA part of the executive committee?
no, my lord, he can be the caretaker when the Chakma Autonomous District Council is under suspension. Now they are under suspension as per the order of the governor, and the DC can be appointed as the caretaker as per that constitution and conduct of business rules of the CIDC. And if your lordship, I think I will be able to produce that particular rules, CCB rules. If it can be taken up physically on this coming Thursday, your lordship
Yes,
will
let's
come
do
on.
that.
Yes.
Let's-
So I'll
let's complete that matter.
I'll bring the definition before your lordship also on that day, my lord.
On the prayer of learned counsel for the petitioner, place the matter on
Thursday.
11th.
That is 11, my lord.
11th. In order to enable him to produce the copy of the relevant
Rules.
the rules.
Much obliged, my lord.
Item 5.
My lords. My lords, I appear for the petitioner. Your lordships had issued notice. And my lords, the respondent number 1, my lords, the council, they've appeared before your lordships today. I have also been informed that respondent number 6, who is the second private respondent, they've filed an application seeking for a legal aid counsel. So my lords, notice is in a way complete.
Private respondents 1 to 6. Out of that,
1 and
services
6.
My lord, I will be appearing for respondent number 1, but however, my lord, since we have some physical problem in executing memo of appearance, if we may be granted 2 to 3 weeks for filing our memo of appearance.
What about the others between 1 and 6?
My lords, the state government, my lords.
State.
The AAG is here, my lords.
2 to 5 is this government, madam.
Third learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned AAG appears for respondents number 2 to 5. Yeah, Mr. Counsel, you are appearing for
Respondent number 1.
1. Counsel. Mr.
K. Vandal Naipoya.
Entered appearance for 1 and 6 time 2. What do you want to submit? Power?
Yeah, for filing power.
File. Power. Submitted by learned counsel for the that Respondent number 6, it has come to his knowledge that respondent has filed applications before the appropriate authority seeking legal aid counsel. The matter in the month of January.
Yes, my lords. Post vacation. Obliged.
I seek a lordship indulgence. I
Yes.
apologize, my lord. This morning at 10:30, I first attempted to make a mention at call number 1. This is an unlisted item, my lord, criminal appeal. I had filed one criminal appeal last week, my lord, who is convicted in a Prevention of Corruption Act, my lord. So if this may be taken up tomorrow, my lord.
All right, but tomorrow it will be, I think, afternoon by the time I'm there. If you're willing to wait, fine. Otherwise, we can have it on Wednesday.
If we can make an attempt on tomorrow, my lord,
All right.
I'm deeply obliged.